Yeah. That's some exhaust pipe in. Hold it like that sideways. Watch your finger. Alright.
Oh! Whoa.
Right. Grab me that other one. Gotta move that first. There you go. Alright, just grab me this one now.
This one?
That other one.
This one?
Yeah. Yeah, flip it over. Yep. Bam. All right. Ready?
Oh, that hole.
Supposed to.
Here we gonna load these in.
Grab the other one. Just one at a time, should we do? Bam. We'll bring a ladder next time.
Yeah, that'll be more better.